How to disable Windows Defender on Windows 10. The first method is to temporarily turn off Windows Defender. Go to Start. Select Settings. Select Update and Security. Select Windows Security. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Settings. And turn off the Real-Time Protection option. Select Yes. With this method, we can temporarily turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10. The second method is to permanently turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10. On Windows 10 Pro, do the following. Go to the search bar and type the keyword gpedit. Select the Administrative Templates line. Next, select the Windows Components line. Select the Microsoft Defender Antivirus line. Next, select the Turn Off Microsoft Defender Antivirus line. Click the button. Select Enable. Select Apply. Select OK. That way, we can permanently turn off Windows Defender on Windows 10 Pro. For Windows 10 Home, do the following. Go to the search bar. Type the command regedit. Select Yes. Go to HK Local Machine. Select Software. Select Policies. Select Microsoft. Select Windows Defender. Right-click and select New. Select DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Disablentispire. Double-click it. Set the value data to 1. Select OK. Just like that, we have permanently disabled Windows Defender on Windows 10 Home.